Okay, I will use for routers 4321 routers. These are R2, R1, R3, 2960 switches, SW1, SW2, SW3, SW4, okay, this is R2 and it has only 2 gigabit interfaces. In this case, I need 3. So I change the router and use 4331 in this case. Remove this, and this will be router R2. For now, 2 gigabit interfaces with access here. And use this module glct clgt and place it here, down here. Okay, ready. And now you have three gigabit interfaces. Connect from gigabit 00 on R1 to gigabit 002. Okay. Instead of using fast Ethernet 000 here, I will use gigabit 002. Okay, and gigabit 00 to SW1 on fast Ethernet 5, gigabit 001 to gigabit 001. Okay, an optional serial connection. Go to R1 and shut down the device, power off, and use this module NIM2T. Okay, place it here and power on. Go to R3, the same procedure. Okay, power off, place, power on. And now uses serial DC and connect from R3 serial 010 to R1 serial 010. Now connection between switches 1, 2, 2, 3 to 1 and 4, 2. And this connection from 3 to 3. And here from I will use gigabit 000 to fast Ethernet 1 and PCs ten, 15, 10, 5, and 6. Okay, this is H1, H2, H3, H4, and H5. VLAN 30, /40, 30, 50, 60. Clear all configuration from routers and switches. This is not necessary because on Packet Tracer, routers and switches are blank devices and they don't have contents. Okay, but the commands are for routers. For routers, the commands are erase, startup, config, then reload. And for switches, erase, startup, config, delete VLAN dot, then reload. Okay, these are the commands. Now assign device name, routers and switches. Okay, for example, the host name, you can use that command. Disable DNS lookup. Okay, no IP domain lookup. Console message. Stop Cisco console message from interrupting commands. Okay, this should be configured on line console 0 login synchronous. Assign class is the privilege exec encrypted command. Okay. Enable secret class. Assign Cisco as the console password and enable login. Okay. Online console password Cisco and enable login. Okay. Cisco has the BTY password and enable login. Okay. Line BTY 0 to 15 password Cisco login. Encrypt the clear text passwords. Okay. Service password encryption. Create banner. Okay, only on R1, R2, and R3. Banner message of the day. Unauthorized access is prohibited. Configure an interface description for each interface. Okay, I will do this later. These are the basic configurations. No IP domain lookup, enable secret class, service password encryption, banner, line console 0, login synchronous password, login, line BTY password, login, and host name. Okay, this for routers. For switches, use the same configuration, but the banner only for routers. And so remove the banner here. Okay, and paste this for routers. R1, no, enable configure terminal, paste hostname R1, R2, enter, no, enable configure terminal, paste hostname R2, R3, no, enable configure terminal, hostname, paste hostname R3, enter. Okay, and for switches, copy this SW1, enter, enable configure terminal, paste hostname SW1, SW2, enter, enable configure terminal, paste SW2, SW3, enter, enable configure terminal, paste SW3, SW4, enter, enable configure terminal, paste SW4. On the resin table, these are the VLANs and also the networks, and this for the routers. Configure basic configurations already done. S1, S2, S3, Ether channel and trunks. Okay, SW1 to SW2, configure layer 2 Ether channel. Okay, between SW1 and SW2. Okay, SW1 interface fast Ethernet 1 and 2, interface range, shutdown, switch port mode trunk, channel group, can be group number 1, and mode active for LACP, but it's not specifying Ether channel, so only use on. Okay, SW2, interface range, Ethernet 1 and 2, shutdown, switch port mode trunk, channel group 1 mode on. Okay, then not shutdown, and on SW1 not shutdown. Okay, between S1 and S3, okay, and S1 ports 3 and 4, interface range 3 and 4, shutdown, channel group number 2, mode on, switch port mode trunk, Okay, remove no channel group 2 mode on. Okay, switch port mode trunk and then channel group 2 mode on. Okay, very good. Okay, S3 1 and 2 interface range, facet 1 and 2, shutdown, switch port mode trunk, channel group 2 mode on. Okay, no shutdown, and on SW1 no shutdown. Okay, show Ether channel summary. Okay, go to SW1 and show Ether channel summary. Okay, very good. Port channel 1, port channel 2. Show interfaces trunk. Okay, trunk. Port channel 1 and 2 trunking. Which switch is the root switch? Okay, for example, on SW1, show spanning tree active. Okay, port channel 2 is the root. This is port channel 2. If port channel 2 is the root, that means SW3 is the root in this case. Okay, and show a spanning tree active. Okay, this bridge is the root, SW3. Configure SW1 to be always the root switch. SW1, configure terminal, spanning tree, VLAN 1, root primary. Okay, and show spanning tree active. This bridge is now the root, SW1. Configure the VLAN and ports on SW2 and SW3. Configure hosts with correct IP addresses and default gateway. Okay, VLANs should be configured not only on SW2 and SW3, also on SW1. Okay, this is the VLAN table. Configure VLAN 30, VLAN 40, VLAN 50, and VLAN 60. Okay, configure these VLANs on 3 switches. SW1, configure terminal, paste, exit, SW2, exit, paste, exit, SW3, configure terminal, paste, exit. Now, configure host with correct IP address and default gateway, according VLAN assignment. Okay, but before to do this, configure the ports Fast Ethernet 10 for VLAN 30, On SW2 interface for Ethernet 10, switch port mode access VLAN theory. For Ethernet 15 switch port mode access VLAN 40. Okay, very good. Okay, on SW3 for Ethernet 10 to VLAN 30 interface for Ethernet 10 switch port mode access switch port access VLAN 30 and for Ethernet 5 VLAN 50 for Ethernet 5 VLAN 50. Very good. Okay, and host correct IP address default gateway. Okay, for VLAN 30 H1 on VLAN 30 192.168.30, for example 10 subnet mask 24 192.168.30, for example the default gateway 1. Okay, VLAN 30 H3 192.168.30 11 24 192.168.30 1. Okay, H2 VLAN 40 192.168.40 40.10 24 192.168.40.1. H4 on VLAN 50 192.168.50.10 24 192.168.50.1. Okay, H5 should be on VLAN 60 and configure 192.168.60.10 24 192.168.60.1. Okay, VLAN 3050 verify with ipconfig command. Okay, on 30 ipconfig. Okay, very good. Configure R2 interface and inter-VLAN routing. Router on a stick for VLAN from 30 to 50 with SW1. Okay, configure R2. This should be the address, but this is the address for fast Ethernet on this side, the connection to R1. I want the IP of gigabit 000. Okay, no specifications for gigabit 000 on R2, but okay, this is the connection to R3. Okay, obviously for gigabit 000 configure sub interfaces for these VLANs for gigabit 000. This interface gigabit 000 and Cisco enable class configure terminal interface gigabit 000 dot 30 encapsulation .1q 30 IP address. Use the first 192.168.30.1 subnet mask 24. Remember, use the description, the connection to SW1. for okay, connection to SW1, 5 5 5 description, 6 6 6. Okay, and go to physical interface, no shutdown, and configure the another interface, the gigabit 001. Okay, gigabit 001 on R2. Use this IP address. Enter 001 IP address. 172.16.1.1. Use 30 subnet mask 252. Description. Connection to R3. R3, no shutdown. And this another interface gigabit 002. And this is this 10.10.10.1. IP address 10.10.10.1 255.255.255.252. Description, connection to R1. And no shutdown. Very good. Configure SW1 port 1. Okay, this port on switch SW1 should be a trunk and should be port 5. Okay, port 5 should be a trunk. Okay, SW1 interface fast Ethernet 5 switch port mode trunk. That is enough. On R2, verify all interfaces are up. Show IP interface brief and show IP interface brief. Okay, all interfaces up. Okay, obviously on this another side is down because still no R1 not configured, R3 not configured. Ping each default gateway from host 1 to 4. Okay, H1 ping. Okay, verify with ipconfig fields. ipconfig. This is my default gateway 30.1. Ping 192.168.30.1. Success. Okay, do the same H2, H3, and H4. I will do it on H4. ipconfig 50.1 is the default gateway. Ping to the default gateway. Success. Can you ping H1 to H2? Okay, ping H1 and verify the IP address on H2 is this 40.10. Ping 192.168.40.10. Success. Okay, yes. Can you ping H1 to H3? Okay, H3. 30.11. Okay, ping 30.11. Success. Yes. Can you ping H1 to H2 and H3? Okay, this is the same. Okay. Configure SW4, create VLAN 60 on port 6. Okay, create VLAN 60, but if VLAN 60 will be placed here, okay, you need to remove from R2, okay? Show running config. Okay, remove from R2 this VLAN. and remove this sub interface, and that will be enough. Configure terminal interface. No interface gigabit 0 0 0.60. Okay, and show running config. Okay, no VLAN 60. Also remove from SW1 exit no VLAN 60, SW2, enter Cisco enable class configure terminal no VLAN 60, SW3 Cisco enable class configure terminal no VLAN 60. Okay, and now on SW4 Cisco enable class configure terminal create VLAN 60 exit out this port fast Ethernet 6 to VLAN 60 interface fast Ethernet 6 switch port mode access VLAN 60. Very good. Configure R3 interface and inter-VLAN routing with SW4. Use the IP address subnet for VLAN 60. Okay, and configure this. Okay, VLAN 60 gigabit 000. Okay, R3 Cisco enable class and configure terminal interface gigabit 000. Okay, dot 60 sub interface encapsulation dot 1q 60 IP address 192.168.60.1 subnet mask 24. Go to physical interface, no shutdown, and this port should be trunk. Fast Ethernet 1 on SW4 interface Fast Ethernet 1 switch port mode trunk. Can you ping host H5 from router R3? Okay, H5 has the IP address 60.10 and from R3 and ping 192.168.60.10. Okay, the port is orange, now is green. Okay, again, success. Yes. Configure R1 router interfaces. Okay. R1 gigabit 000. This interface gigabit 000. Enter Cisco enable class configure terminal interface gigabit 000. Interface gigabit 00. IP address 10 10 10 2 85 85 52. Description connection to R2 no shutdown. Configure this ladder, the serial interface ladder. The loopback interface. On R1 interface loopback 0 IP address 200 200 201. Okay, don't forget the subnet mask. Can be 32 subnet mask. On router R2, configure a static route to reach loopback 0 on R1. Okay, go to R2, configure terminal IP route 200, 200, 200, 1, 255, 255, 255, 255, and use the NATS hop IP address, the gigabit 00 on R1. The gigabit 00 on R1 is 10, 10, 10, 2. 10, 10, 10, 2. On R1, configure the default route to R2 with NATS hop of R2. Okay, on R1, configure a default route to R2. On R1, exit IP route. The default route is 4 zeros, 4 zeros. NATS hop is the gigabit 002 on R1. Okay, gigabit 002 on R2. Gigabit 002 on R2. Gigabit 002 on R2 is 10, 10, 10, 1. Okay, 10, 10, 10, 1. Can you ping from R2 to router 1 loopback interface? Okay, go to R2, enter, and ping to loopback interface on R1. Success. Yes. Can you ping from R1 loopback 0 interface? Source ping from loopback 0 to interface host H1 or to H4. Okay, H1 IP address ipconfig is 30.10. Go to R1 and ping 192.168 30.10, and the source is loopback 0. Enter. Okay. And ping IP destination 192.168 30.10. Okay. Ping protocol IP, enter, target, the destination 30.10, 5 pings, 100 timeout. Extended commands, yes. Source, address or interface, loopback 0. Enter. Invalid source, loopback 0. Okay, use the address 200, 200, 200, 1. Type of service, enter. Enter, 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 enter. Success. Show IP route from R2. Show IP route. Okay, very good. And the static. Show IP route on R2. How is the R1 loopback 0 address reachable? Okay, this is configure R3, R1 gigabit 001. Okay, go to on R3, configure this interface gigabit 001. This interface gigabit 001 on R3. Configure terminal interface gigabit 001. Description, connection to R2. IP address 172.16.12.255.255.252. Remember, that is the subnet mask, not shutdown. And now this link is green. Ping from R3, router 1 gigabit 00 interface. Okay, R1 gigabit 001. Okay, R1 does not have gigabit 001, have gigabit 000. Okay, the IP address of gigabit 00 on R1. Okay, show running config. Gigabit 00 on R1 is 10.10.10.2. Okay, this should be gigabit 00. Okay, from R3, 10.10.10.2. Ping will fail, 10.10.10.2. Okay, can you ping R3 and I think should be R1. Ping fails. No. Why? It's not a directly connected network. And routing not configured. Routing is not configured. Configure R2 with a static route to reach the network IP subnet of VLAN 60. Okay, go to R2, configure terminal IP route 192.168.60.0, subnet mask 24. And for R2, the NAT hop IP address is gigabit 001 on R3. Okay, show running config. Gigabit 001 on R3 is 172.16.1.2. 172.16.1.2. Okay. Configure the return path from R3 to R1. Okay, on R3 it's recommended to use a default route. Okay. Okay, on R3 configure terminal interface. IP route. The default route. The NAT hop IP address is gigabit 001 on R2. Okay, and show running config. Gigabit 001 on R2 is 172.16.1.1. 172.16.1.1. Okay, this is the command. Can host 5 reach R2 interface with ping? Okay, host 5 is this R2 interface. For example, this gigabit 001. And gigabit 001 172.16.1.1. Ping from H5 172.16.1.1. Success. Yes. Successful, yes. Provide the screenshot. From H5 router R1 loopback interface. From H5 router R1 loopback interface. Ping. Success. Yes. Screenshot. From H1 host H5. ping 192.168.60.10. This is the IP address of H5. ipconfig 60.10. Success. Yes. Okay, connect R3 to R1 with serial interface. Okay, this serial interface. Create a static route between R1, R3, and R1. But use it only if gigabit path is down. Okay, but first configure IP addresses here. Choose a network, for example, on R1 serial 010. Okay, enter. Configure terminal interface serial 010. IP address, for example, 10.20.01. Subnet mask 252. Description. Connection to R3. No shutdown. Okay, 10.20.01. The another side should be 10.20.02. Serial 010 on R3. Interface serial 010. IP address 10.20.02. 252. Description. Connection to R1. No shutdown. Very good. Now, and configure the static route between R3 and R1. Okay, on R3, default, but use it only if gigabit path is down. Only if this path is down. Okay. Remember, the previous default route was this, and configure a similar default route. Exit, IP route, the default route. But the NAS hub IP address is this, serial 010 on R1, and serial 010 on R1 is 10.20.01. 10.20.01. 10.20.01. But just an administrative distance higher than 1, so I will use 5. Okay. What type of static route will you create on R3 toward R1? Floating static routes. Okay, do not forget that also need to configure static route back between R1 and R3. Okay, on R1, configure exit static route, IP route 192.168. 60.0. Okay, NAS hub IP address is serial 010 on R3. Serial 010 on R3, 10.20.02. 10.20.02. Okay, and type command here. Verify connectivity. R3 to R1. And use trace route. Okay, from R3 ping loopback 0 on R1. R3 and ping loopback 0 on R1. Success. And trace route. Trace route. Okay, very good. This is R2 and this is R1. The path should go R3, R2, R1. Very good. Provide a screenshot. Verify failover on R3. Shut down gigabit 001 interface. Okay, on R3, shut down this interface gigabit 001. Configure terminal interface gigabit 001. Okay, sorry, 001. Shut down. Okay, now it's red. Verify connectivity from R3 to loopback 0 on R1. Okay, and ping success, trace route, and uses only one path, not two paths, directly to R1. The path should go from R3 to R1. Is the traffic using the serial connection? Yes. Provide a screenshot.